So the first thing you're going to do is half drag down, type in AN for animation. It'll get you the octopus. Click the plus sign and create new drawing. We're going to do all the little pieces together. So an easy one would be doing a circle and then go to gallery. Click the plus sign, new drawing. If you click the flower one, you can change the type of flower, the inner, the outer, the thickness. Change your color. That's nice. Go gallery. And we'll add another new drawing. This is just so you can get used to the shapes. If you bring this down, we can get a triangle and you get different types of shapes. And you can draw any size and back to gallery. It's very quick. Then to bring those pieces together and animate them, we go plus, new composition. Drop in your background one. So I'll do the pink one. To change the size, just click on the blue dot and stay on the diagonal. If you go off, it's going to distort it's very sensitive, so it'll distort very easily. If that's the case, you can click this blue dot here, the box with the arrow, and it says reset. It's got like a stop button. Click on that, see it puts it right back to where it was. Then we can get rid of that and click the blue dot, stay on the diagonal, and we will do it again, move it again. Also, it's on 2 seconds right now, which is too short. So we need to hold down the orange dot and drag it along to 8 seconds. 7, 8, even 10 seconds is fine. Then put the red play line back to the beginning, and we're going to add the next one. So maybe this one. And position it where you would like it to go. You can click and drag anywhere in the box, just not on the green dot. I'll show you what that does after if you're not used to that one. We need to make it 8 seconds again so that it goes for the same length as the other one. To see the one below, just click the blue arrow and you can see your layers below. The layer that you're working on is the white one, so you can make changes to the one that's active. You can also change the order, and I could make it bigger and coming out. Okay, and put it back on top. I'll resize that and put it in the center. A really quick way to get that moving is clicking the clock wheel, and it has rotation. So you could choose which way you want it to rotate and for how fast. If I do 1 and click play, it'll look like this, a little like a fan. If I do, let's do 3, and it's much faster. I'm going to put it back to 1 because I prefer that speed. It doesn't make me too dizzy. Now we can add in other things the same way. So I could bring in this one. I could make it super small because we want to really accentuate the vanishing point in our drawing. So you might want to really lead into that center in whatever way you want. Now I could have that one spinning a different direction to the one below, or it could be still. We do need to make it 8 seconds though. You'll see if it flashes and disappears, you'll see why. So that's going to turn a different way. You can always check and click play. Now I've done mine the same way, so that doesn't make sense. So I'm going to change it this way and play, and see they're going 2 different ways. To add a background, click the eye, background color, and you can choose whatever color you like that makes a nice background. Okay. Now the green, so you can have some that are still, some that are circulating. That's your easiest way. So that's a very, very beginner start of how to use this app. If you want to have something moving around the page, click the layer that you want to move, click on the green dot, and it creates a path line. It's called a path line. When you hit play, it's going to move wherever that path line went. To export, you click gallery, slide it across, and share. You want it as a video, and center. Now this is a very, very simple one, but obviously you can build up a lot of layers and do separate drawings. It's entirely up to you. This would be your first background. And save image. Okay, so now that is in your camera roll. So start easy, just with circles, and then you can build up. Here's another one, just with more layers. Some things moving with the green path tool and other things just rotating. We're still trying to draw into the center. Okay, so we've got some different ones that we've been building up. So have fun with that.